So matrix multiplication. Let's see how to perform matrix multiplication. Let's say we are given these two matrices A and B. So a 2D array is also called a matrix. It's a 2D array. It has two dimensions, right? So let's say we are given this matrix A and B. There are two rows and two columns in this matrix. So this is called as row. This is row number 1, row number 2, right? So this is column number 1, column number 2. Here in this matrix we have two rows and three columns, right? So we want to multiply these two matrices. Now the dimensions of this matrix are 2 by 2. The dimensions of this matrix are 2 by 2. In order to multiply matrices, inner dimensions must match. That means number of columns here must match with the number of rows of this matrix, right? Then only we'll be able to perform matrix multiplication. We have two rows here, we have two columns here, so they do match. So that's why we are able to perform the matrix multiplication, and the resultant matrix dimensions will be this into this, 2 by 3. That means there will be 6 total elements in this matrix. So this is element number 1. There will be 2 rows and 3 columns. Element number 2, element number 3, 4, 5 and 6, right? Now let's see how to get the element here, right? So this element here is equal to first row of this matrix multiplied with the first column of this matrix, right? So this element is equal to first row, first column, right? So perform the element wise multiplication and addition of these rows, this row and this column. So we have this is equal to 1 into 1 plus 2 into 4. This one multiplied with this one plus this 2 multiplied with this 4. It gives us, so 1 plus 8 is 9. So this is 9. So now this row here, so this element here is equal to first row multiplied with second column, right? Because if you look at this matrix, this is row number 1 and this is column number 1. So this is 1 by 1, 1 by 1. So it says 1 cross 1. If you see here, this 1 cross 1 says this element here is called as 1 cross 1. That means it is in the first row and first column, and you got it by multiplying first row here with the first column here. So this is called as 1 cross 2. First row, second column, this is column 2, and you get it by multiplying first row here with the second column here, right? So let's multiply first row with the second column here. So if I do this, I get first row, second column, 1 into 2 plus 2 into 5. This 1 into this 2 plus this 2 into this 5. So which is equal to, so 2 plus 10 is 12. So this is 12 here. Similarly, this element is called as first row and third column, 1 comma 1 cross 3, right? So first row of this multiplied with third column of this, right? So first row 1 into 3 plus 2 into 6, right? So this is equal to 1 into this 3 plus this into 6. 1 into 3 plus 2 into 6, which is equal to 3 plus 12, that is 15. So this is 15. This is 15. So you got here 9, 12 and 15. Now the element here is called as second row. This is second row and first column, 2 comma 1, 2 comma 1, 2 cross 1, sorry. So this you can get by multiplying second row of this matrix. Second row of this matrix. This is this one. Second row of the first matrix multiplied with the first column of the second matrix. So that's what this says, 2 cross 1. So 2 cross 1 here means multiply second row of the first matrix with the first column. So this we can get by multiplying 3 with 1, 3 cross 1 plus 4 cross 4, 4 multiplied by 4, which is equal to 3 plus 16, which is equal to 19. So 19. This is 19. Similarly, this element is 2 cross 2. Multiply second row with second column. Right? So this multiplied with this. So that is 3 into 2 plus 4 into 5, which is nothing but 6 plus 20, which is nothing but 26. 26. Similarly, this is called as 2 cross 3, final element here. You can get it by using by multiplying second row with third column. So which is equal to 3 cross 3 plus 4 cross 6, which is equal to 9 plus 24, which is equal to 33. So this is 33. So that is how we get the element. So the final matrix which we got is, I'll write it here, 9, 12, 15 and 19, 26, 33. So this is the final matrix. Multiply this, in order to get this, multiply first row first column, get this, multiply first row second column, in order to get this, multiply first row third column, in order to get this, multiply second row first column, in order to get this, multiply second row second column, in order to get this, multiply second row third column. So that is how we can perform matrix multiplication. The important point to note is the inner dimension, that is this columns in this matrix should match with the rows in this matrix. So we'll see the code of this in the next video.